Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. And if you want to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today with the Bitcoin done here, it's being shown as if it's breaking that level we showed you yesterday here. But at the end of the day, it showed here a big tail here down, as you see it. And what else we said here at that level here? We said we got here a inside bar here, as you see. That what else we said before. So that candle which is finished today, it hasn't broken down. So till now it hasn't. There is no short yet here in the daily me I'm talking. And for the long, it needs to come to break here. Even for the long, there is no entry long yet. So you need to wait in a little bit more. And that's what me have been telling you. And even here, you remember here that flag also we used to have here, that one. Even that one, it hasn't been broken here. As you see it here, it hasn't been broken here. So till now, there is no breaking yet. Yes, if we go into the 4 hours, we're going to find it getting broke. But in the 4 hours, also we enter short because of here. We used to have here a flag here. That's why also we enter short. In the 4 hours, we still waiting the take profit for that one. And the take profit for that one is it down here. But here in the daily, it's not yet. Need to come down here. And me personally, I think we are going to go till here, till we are going to touch here the 200 moving average at 19k. And after that, maybe we're going to continue it upward, because everything here in the daily it's still looking the same. The 50 moving average here, it's breaking above here. We still have here that wage we're breaking here in the daily. By the way, let me show it to you. As you see it, as we're breaking that wage here, the market go up, it came down, it tested again. Now it go up here. Now either it's going to give us here a double top here, and also we are going to enter short, or another scenario is going to go up and to break for us that last high which is here. By the way, that two lines here, every Friday I'm talking here about the people that just came now. Every Friday we're making for you the options, and the last Friday we said over here we got the calls, and over here we got the pots. Calls, that mean people they want to sell, or they thinking the Bitcoin it will never reach to that level here. And the pots, people they thinking the Bitcoin it will never fall down to that level here. At two levels, the first level is it here at 25,500. The down one is it at 20,500. So that's the view. And it's look like the Bitcoin is going to close here. We're not breaking that level here as it's looking now, because those candles were finished today. It's showing that. So for long term, just they say, and forget about all that, just they say. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And I got something else for you. Let me show it to you. That's what I got, guys, for you. That one here, his name MVRVZ score. That one, the way how it's calculated, it's not simple a little bit, but I'm going to explain it a little bit for you. That's why I'm telling you every time, just this say, as you see it, it's being the buying from down here, as you see here down, that level here, and here, I'm going to show you even that one, what's happening there. To see it, we need just to zoom it like that. As you see here, guys, that one, when it's breaking down, it's going to be a very huge potential. You are in the bottom, and now here it's breaking in the top here. So over here is a huge level for you to buy, and that's what it's showing. It's showing it's crossing above. That's the first thing. And for the down is the same thing. As you see it, it's breaking above that level here. And as you see here, every time also when we used to doing that the same thing, that black one it's breaking down to the blue one, and that one is it down here at the oversold area. Is a huge level for you to buy. And the same thing which is here, it's repeating now here at that level where we are now. That's why me I'm telling you, just they say, guys, just they say, maybe you are waiting for a level and it will never fall down to it. Just they say, don't miss the opportunity how you miss it from 15k. Just they say, that's my advice to you. Just they say. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see the coming news of today. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, here it is, as you see it. we got the same news. The Fed chair Powell testify. And by the way, that one is going to take us some time today. It's going to explain what he said today. As you see it, the stock market today down slump as Powell testimonial put 50-point basis in play for March. That's something very, very bad. So let me show you what he's saying. He said, let me just to summarize everything for you. He said they are going to be very, very hawkish for March, and they are going to bet to put the interest rate 50% because people they been with us, they know the Fed, it came down to 0.25 and it used to be the target for interest rate is 5%. Now when they saw in US economic, it doesn't doing well after they reach into 6, it's too hard to fall down below 6, the inflation we are talking here. Now them they saying they are going to increase it by 0.50. That means they are going to pass that ceiling of 5%. They are going to increase by 0.50, guys. That's something very bad to US economic because interest rate, it's something very bad, but them they need to lower the inflation. They need to reach at least to 2% or something. But there is talking, they say maybe from here by the end of 2023, they are going to stop increasing interest rate. But that is what the Fed is telling us till now. And even today, he's going to talk because today all US stocks, they fall down based on what he's saying. You need to be careful about those things. And here, our friend, if we go back here and we're looking at it, what you see in here, look at it. Look here, all US stocks today, they are red. If you remember yesterday video, I told you the market is being very flat, and today, no, the market it fall down a lot. Even the SP 500 fall down a lot today. And here, our friend is the VIX. As you see it, it go from 18 to 19.59. So that is another scenario, guys. The currencies go back to the market. Let's wait in today what it's going to say. Plus here, look at the dollar here. What it's saying here. Yesterday we used to be 104. Today we are 105. That more than 100 points today of jumping here. As you see it, plus 1.23 for people that trade in forex. That 100 pips. So that's something very bad, but it's okay. But why else we saying for Bitcoin you need to start at DCA? Because Bitcoin is got something different than the stock market. Bitcoin is got the halving cycle, and that one we're going to make it to go up. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. Yesterday video, what else we said here? We said over here, we got here like that, a wage as very clear wage here. And we said for us to enter short, it need to breaking down here. And for us to enter long, it need to breaking up here. Till now it doesn't breaking up here and it doesn't breaking down here, so it's still very early for you to thinking of to enter long or short. Remember that. Also we say that it need to break down here or down here. People they been with us for some time. Also we enter a short from here. That's where we enter short, and we enter another short from here because we used to have here a flag here. Now here at that level where we are here, we don't got nothing. You can make just like that a small omega fall like that as you see it, but that one it hasn't been broken up, it hasn't been broken down, so it's still very, very early for us thinking of to enter long or to enter short. That trend line me I showed you yesterday, we used to have here, look at it, we couldn't break it as you see it. We came next to it here, and the market is showing couldn't break it here. Now it's showing maybe it's going to go back up. So that level here, it's still very, very stronger as you see it. We couldn't break that level here, so it's still a very stronger level, guys. So here in the 4 hours there is nothing clear yet. You need to wait in more what the market is going to tell you in the coming hours and coming days. I think picture is very, very, very clear. So what you need to do here in the 4 hours, I'm talking here just about swing trading. You came here to that, here like that, and you draw in here a trend line like that. That's for the top. If the market came and breaking above here in that level here, you enter long or you buy. That for the long. For the short, what you need to do, you came to that one here and you draw it like that. What you got here now? You got a very clear wage. If the market breaking up here, you enter long. If the market breaking down here, you enter short. That's it. There is nothing complicated, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see our indicators what they're saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. here we are in our indicator. Over here, what else we said? People they've been with us, they remember that. We said we got here a downtrend like that. We said maybe it's going to touch it here. Then after that, it's going to enter here to the oversold area. That's a scenario. Or maybe from here, we are going to go back and we're breaking above here, that middle line here. And we're going to enter in the bull run. Because till now, technically, if you look in with me here, very, very clear picture now. Let me show it to you like that. Look with me here. Who controlling now? In that zone here, who controlling? Is the bears. There is no bulls, guys. Came just enter to the zone of the bull, but very quickly it came back to the bears zone. So the bears, they still very stronger and very powerful. So till now, there is no buying yet. Unless if the price action breaking above and our indicator here, it's breaking here, that level here. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. Because we are here at the oversold area. I showed you even that one yesterday, and I told you level, we are in a very stronger level. Look at it like that. You can even bring it from here, because me, I don't want to go back to the past, because that one is getting broke here. It's been a resistance is getting broke. Now it's become here like a support. Look at it now. So I think picture is too clear for you now. That the level. Second thing, what we got here, the price action, guys. Yes, the price action. That one is the most important, because level, oscillators, all those ones, it don't mean nothing if there is no price action. The price action for us to looking for buy, what is it? Is that one. I show you that one thousands of times now. If we came and we breaking above here, enter long, guys. Stop loss of you, put it just down here in that level. That's it. And if it fall down and break it lower here, you enter short. That's it. And the stop loss of you can put it here. You can put it in top of that level, depending on your money management. I told you that thousands of times, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping. Yes, you are right, my friend. What else we said in the last video? Last video, you can just go back and watch 30 minutes in it. What else we said here? And we came here down, here, and we make a line like that. That's what else we said. And remember it, I make it even for you like that. I make squares in the top of all those tails here. That's how me I make it. What did I told you? I told you if it's breaking here, enter short. Where did it break? Break here. Look, tail, where will have you enter? I told you take profit for that one. It needs to be down here. In that tail here. Did it bring for you to take profit? Yes. The time of news it's bringing for you to take profit. Exactly. Look at it. Now, for us, because now it came down here and it's showing now a rejection. The market is going back up. Should you enter long? Should you enter short here? What should we do now? Look with me now what I'm going to do. You can to those ones like that and you draw in here a trend line like that. That's it. That's for the long. If the market came and breaking above here, yes, you can enter long. For the short, what you need to do? Look with me what I'm going to do. Same thing. You got here a wedge from here and here. And you can even bring it from here. And you can even bring it from here. You can even make a flag here. But me, I prefer the wedge because the wedge is going to be very close compared to the flag. But now what should you do? If the market came and breaking above here in that level, you enter long, guys. If the market came down here to that level here, look at it, how I draw it. If the market came and breaking down here, you enter short. How to draw it? I came to that one and that one where we are now. But for us to enter short, the market needs to break for us that last low here. That one here. For us to enter short. But if it's breaking for us down here, the trend line, that means it's going to be breaking that level here. And also we make it more down for us to enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. So let's see it. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, we are here at the oversold area. Level, we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter long? No, my friend. We need the price action to tell us we need to enter long. The only price action we got is that one, that trend line like that. It's need the market to come to break above here for us to enter long. Tell now the market what it's showing here. Look with me here. Look here. Remember those tails we used to have here. Those tails, I'm talking about that one and that one. That candle we came here. Now, either that one is going to come down and to give us another low than the previous one, or it's going to break and to go up. And me, I give you all the scenarios for you to enter long, for you to enter short. Let me summarize everything for you now. Look with me how I'm going to draw it again. You came to that one like that, and you do it like that. Here, down, you do it like that. You got here a wedge like that. Very clear. That candle here, which is going now, it's showing here a rejection. Should you enter short? No. There is no entry short now. And no entry long now. For us to enter long, it's the market to come to break here. Then also we're going to enter long. That's for the long. For the short, it's need that market to come down and to give us here another low here and to break for us down here. Then also we're going to enter short. Remember how I draw it? I think picture is too clear, guys. That's it for that video. And please, please, please don't forget to smash that like button, to write write down a comment, support us guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.